Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, charge the only way to full and insert the map card. This prevents mid-route failures. Once done, enable precise location services and pick your coordinate format because navigation calculations differ between DD and DMS. Position the unit outdoors, elevated with an unobstructed sky view that dramatically shortens acquisition time. You'll see a satellite lock within minutes. Meanwhile, verify firmware version so you don't lose features. After the lock, confirm current coordinates before plotting a route. You now plot the route. Type the destination as an address, POI, or lat/long because coordinates avoid ambiguous names. Once entered, pick a routing mode, fastest for roads, off-road for trails, or walking when elevators matter. The algorithms differ, so pick deliberately. Then refine safety options, enable speed alerts, set elevation limits, and choose waypoint spacing to control guidance frequency. After adjustments, preview the entire path. If a segment looks wrong, drag a via point to force a different road. You begin navigation and trust the voice prompts while monitoring ETA and direction arrows. If the signal degrades, stop safely and move to an open area. Make sure the device antenna faces skyward or switch to an external antenna if available. When the unit keeps recalculating in a loop, stop navigation, clear route waypoints, and reload the map card. That fixes corrupted routing caches. Finally, if guidance is still erratic, power cycle the device. Check firmware, then retry. This sequence resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.